Hey, what's up everyone? Back here again because as you can see, I actually got another carnivorous plant in the mail. This one, my grandpa ordered it for me and I have no clue what is actually in here, so it's gonna be a surprise, which is always really nice and fun. Yeah, without further ado, I'm freaking excited as heck. Also, I just got a cut on my finger, so if that's why I have a band-aid if you're curious. Alright. Ooh, okay, that's definitely a Sarracenia. Just based on the height. Boom, this one, not as tall as last time. Last time was very tall. But we're looking at maybe like 14 inches, 14 to 16. Alright. Let's get this opened up. Ooh. What is that, a flava? Okay, here we go. Sarracenia flava rugelii extinct site. Defuniak Springs, Florida. What? Extinct site? That's really special. Well, look at that. There's a really like dark splotch on that picture there. I'm not sure what that is. Usually that's like completely normal, but man. Alright, I'm gonna get this opened up so I can show you guys up close. Alright guys, we're back. I got this thing out of the cup, so let me put this tag in here. And let's check this out. Looks really nice. That classic flava, very yellowy, and you can see it's got a little bit of that rugelii genetics in there, right? That red throat. Smaller picture down here. Looks like some Phyllodia. Yeah, extinct site. That's really quite special, that is. Of course, it's not an extinct species because I got it right here, but I guess in the wild that's extinct. That's really cool. I've never even heard of this. I'm gonna do some research online. But yeah. I don't really need to repot this one. But I can definitely do some divisions if I wanted to, but I'm just gonna leave it. My Alata I definitely needs to repot. That thing was like bulging out the pot and uprooting and everything like that. But this is pretty okay in the pot it's got. It's got one of the bigger pots. So yeah, so pretty. That's my second like big flava I got. A lot of flava stuff. Flava is my favorite Sarracenia. It's my favorite like carnivorous plant as a whole, you know. Sarracenia, and if you want to be more specific, then flava. I don't have an exact flava subspecies I like the best. I don't really know. I've only ever had the Wakma mix and now this rugelii extinct site. Maybe over time that blotch should become bigger. But yeah, that's it, right? Oh, we got, of course, gotta get your California Carnivores card. I'm honestly like collecting these at this point. It's pretty cool. Every order you get one. I've lost a couple in the past, but I'm accumulating them. It's kind of cool. Another sticker. This one's different than last time. It's like a yellowish green on a light blue. So that's pretty nice. And yeah, that's it. That's gonna be the end of the video. If you're seeing this, Poppy, my grandpa, thank you very much. I always appreciate when you buy me plants and everything. And yeah, it's gonna be the end of the video here. I'm gonna get this thing outside in some water and some sun, and it's gonna be great.